Welcome to Polymarm Luxury Panels installation video. For this installation, you're going to need the following items: eye protection, level, tape measure, structural adhesive, silicone, skill saw, and hole saw. Use a level to check that all the walls are straight. Then use a measuring tape in 2 different places to make sure the walls are plumb. If they are not, the cuts to the panels will not be square and should be adjusted accordingly. Take an inside corner trim and apply structural adhesive to both sides of the back. Install it on the left corner. Take the side panel that will go on the corresponding wall and trim to the desired width and height using a skill saw equipped with a fine-tooth blade or a masonry blade. Apply about 2.5-inch globs of structural adhesive on the wall about 6 to 8 inches apart, all over the surface you're going to cover. Apply a continuous bead of silicone inside the groove of the left corner trim. Place panel in the slot and push it in place. Take the level or piece of lumber and firmly push the panel flush up against the wall at multiple locations. The small globs will act like little suction cups that will help hold the panel in place while the adhesive dries. Next, take the panel for the back wall and trim to size with a skill saw. Repeat the application of structural adhesive as before all over the back wall. Apply silicone inside the groove of the left corner trim corresponding to that side of the panel. Take the right inside corner trim and apply structural adhesive to the back of both sides. Apply silicone to the inside groove of the right corner trim. Insert corner trim into the right side of the panel and insert left side of the panel into the groove of the left corner trim. Swing panel into place, making sure the fit is not too tight and allows for some expansion. Use the level or piece of lumber to firmly push the panel flush up against the wall at multiple locations. Take the last panel, trim the width and height to size. Flip panel over and using a hole cutter, make holes for the plumbing hardware. Consider making a template out of cardboard for more accurate hole placement. Apply globs of structural adhesive on the wall as before. Apply silicone to the groove of the right corner trim. Install panel in place and use the level or a piece of lumber to firmly push the panel flush up against the wall at multiple locations. Take the outside trim and apply a continuous bead of silicone all the way down the groove and install edge trim. Repeat for the other side. Apply a continuous bead of silicone along the top and bottom edges of the installed panels to make sure they are sealed. You're done, but we suggest waiting 48 hours before enjoying your new Polymarm tub or shower surrounds. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at info@polymarm.com. We are here to help you be successful in your tub or shower surround installation.